Hi, everybody. When we set up our Cronometer.com accounts the other day, I forgot to give instructions for setting the targets for sugar and cholesterol and double checking your saturated fat target. So you're going to get into your website. You're going to be on the diary page where you entered all of your food. You're going to scroll down, click the bar that currently says no target next to sugars. Click that box, click the checkbox next to use custom values instead of RDA. You're going to set the minimum at 0 and the maximum at 25. Click apply. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to check your saturated fat box. It should say 20 grams. If it doesn't, do the same thing and click apply. Then go to the no target box next to cholesterol. Click use custom values. Select 0 for the minimum and 300 milligrams for the maximum and click apply. If you've done it correctly, you'll then have a color showing in sugars and in cholesterol and in saturated fats. You print your diary pages for the assignment that is due on Thursday.